Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my recipe for a homemade sponge cake. This recipe is sponsored by CGA Limited. I will be using their marigold margarine to make this cake. So we want to start off with that margarine, and you want it to be at room temperature or a little softer. In goes some sugar. Having the margarine at this soft consistency helps you to cream both ingredients really quickly, so you speed up the process of making the cake. Next, I'm going in with 1 ciliment leaf and a piece of lemon rind, and I'm adding in 1 egg at a time. Now I'm using 4 eggs in total, so after each incorporation I'll add another until I've used up all 4. Next, I'm going to go in with some mixed or vanilla essence and some bitters, some Angostura aromatic bitters. Mix that in, and once you've mixed it in, you want to pull out that leaf and that rind from in there. Next, let's mix the dry ingredients or sift together the dry ingredients. Add your dry ingredients to your batter and mix. Now if you wanted, you can alternate the milk with the dry ingredients if it's too thick. So I'm going in with my second set of dry ingredients, and then I'm going to mix that in. Next, go in with the milk and continue to mix. Once it's combined, you want to stop because you don't want to overmix the batter. Empty into a greased and floured cake pan. Make sure when you empty it into the cake pan, you smoothen the top out so that it's even, so that it bakes evenly. This goes into your oven 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes until when you put a skewer through it, it comes out clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy recipe for sponge cake. Make it and let me know down below if you like it. Be sure to check out my Christmas playlist for lots of more recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!